Hello everyone, this is Sumit Sharma. Today I will show you the database connectivity of Visual Studio as a front end with the backend Microsoft SQL Server 2008. First of all, I will tell you how to create database in SQL Server 2008. I have already installed SQL Server 2008 on my machine. Now go to databases, right click on database, new database. Here you can write the name of your database, but I have already created a database with the name testing. This is the database I have already created. You can add tables in this database by right click on new tables, but I have already done this section also. T1 is the name of my table and it has two fields, name 1 and email 1. Okay, now I have created this on my local server. How to configure it with Visual Studio? Connect to database in Visual Studio, change it Microsoft SQL Server the localhost. From here testing is the database, test connection, okay, succeeded. Okay, this is the database which it is attached to Visual Studio. This is the name of table and name 1 and email 1 are two fields. I have already created a form with two text field, text box 1 and text box 2. While I will click on the submit button, the data in the text box 1 goes into the name 1 and data in the text box 2 goes into the email 1 in the database. Now we will see the coding of database connectivity. First of all, we will import system.data.sql client because we are working on client server architecture. Database connectivity works in three phases. These three phases are connection, then command, and the third one is execution. We will work step by step. First of all, we will create a connection, then we will write command, then we will execute the command. Here you can see that dim cn as a new SQL connection, and here you will write the connection string. It is not possible to remember the connection string, so you can see this from here. Right click on the database, whether whichever you are using, properties, it is a connection string. Copy this from here and paste it here. You will most probably you will see in this section, you will see the name of your machine or local host. Replace that code with server.machine name. This server.machine name automatically return the URL of your machine when you are working on local machine. In this subroutine, we will write the main hardcore coding of database connectivity. In the try section, I will create command dim cmd as new SQL command. Insert into T1 is the name of table, name 1 and email 1 are two fields, values at the rate A1 A2, and this is the connection string from where our data flows. cmd dot parameter dot add with value A1 and text box 1. The value of text box 1 goes into the A1 and A1 saves the value in the name 1, same as text box 2 to A2 and A2 to email 1. Now open the connection cn.open. Now execute the command cmd.execute non-query and close the connection. It is very compulsory to close the connection. I have taken a label in the front end. This is a label. I will use this label to show the messages like whether the data is saved or not. If data is saved, if it works properly, it shows data is saved. Otherwise, it will show the message in the catch portion. Label 1.text is equal to ex.message. Please not forget to close the connection in the catch section also. Now we will run this. Here I will write Sumit Sharma is my name, and I will write my ID. Now click on submit. You can see that data is saved. Now we can see the value, whether the value is saved in the database or not. This is the database, and in the show data table, show table data, and yes, this is a name one, and my email data is saved successfully. This is all about database connectivity with Microsoft SQL Server 2008, and hopefully you enjoyed the video, and for any query please contact me on sumit.sharmagmju@gmail.com. Thank you.